Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the fact that Thai police, Thai law enforcement generally, seems to be dedicating increasingly more resources to combating overstay. Now, specifically, we're talking about this in the context of Thai immigration. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from The Phuket News, that's thephuketnews.com. Article is titled, Phuket Immigration Joins Illegal Business Raids. Quoting directly under the subheadline Overstays, among the Phuket immigration reports yesterday were those announcing the arrest of one Russian man who attempted to flee and two Pakistani men arrested in Patong for overstay, staying in the country after the permit of stay issued by the Immigration Bureau had expired. Quoting further, the Russian man named as Mr. Sergey, surname withheld, 46, had been found to overstay in the country by 351 days. Acting on a tip-off, officers stopped Mr. Sergey by the side of the road. So take that into consideration. This person was stopped by the side of the road pursuant to a tip-off. Quoting further, near Supicha Sino Kongkao 8 housing estate at about 4:30 p.m. on April 1. While immigration officers were questioning him, Mr. Sergey attempted to flee, but officers gave chase and apprehended him, said the report. Mr. Sergey suffered abrasions on both knees and both arms and his left heel as officers took him into custody, Phuket Immigration reported. Mr. Sergey entered Thailand on September 24, 2019 through the immigration checkpoint at Phuket International Airport. His visa allowed him to stay 90 days until April 16, 2023. His visa allowed him to stay 90 days until, I don't know what they mean. I think they meant, I don't know how they mean that. Okay. Quoting further, Mr. Sergey was informed of the charge of overstay against him and handed over to Phuket City Police for further legal action. Phuket Immigration confirmed. So it's my understanding he entered and he had a 90-day visa. He didn't renew it. And I don't know what his visa allowed him to stay 90 days until April 16, 2023. The math is off there. But long story short, I'm going to just go back and refer to the fact that he apparently was on overstay by 351 days. So for those who are unaware, the fact that he was arrested in Thailand and found to be an overstay, that's an automatic 5-year ban. So just being apprehended, even 1 day of overstay, if you're apprehended by police in Thailand, that's an automatic 5-year ban because you were caught in the country. As we've discussed in other videos, there was a time when getting to the airport was kind of like touching base in the game of tag. Once you got there and got through immigration, you just paid your fine and moved on. You may have to deal with an overstay fine. But if you are arrested in the country, then it's an automatic 5 years as opposed to what might have been a 1-year, 3-year overstay. I think it's safe to presume this person's definitely going to be banned for at least 5 years. Again, thereafter there may be a possibility of returning to Thailand. But again, where you've been arrested and deported, Thai immigration just on national security grounds is probably going to be a little bit reticent, if you will, about readmitting somebody under those circumstances. That being said, this is a major change. We are seeing a lot more immigration law enforcement activity, and as I've discussed in many other videos, I think this is indicative of a major change in terms of mindset within the immigration department. So we will certainly keep you updated on this channel as this situation evolves.